In this video, I want to jump into hand-drawn mazes, the tool that creates these mazes, like the ones that you see here, that could be used to sell on Amazon KDP, or in this case, with this red background and this Christmas tree maze, you could most likely sell this as a printable versus a colored book or a book using colored pages inside of Amazon KDP. There's a link in the description. It'll take you over to my bonus page. Of course, you click that green button that says Get It Now. You'll get all these bonuses to use inside of the Hand-Drawn Mazes software. Also explain how the funnel works and what you need to purchase to actually get these bonuses. The bonuses that you see here, done for you keyword and video topic research, mazes for inspiration, monster images, alphabet trace images, and farm images. Again, there'll be a video here on the bonus page when you click the link. For hand-drawn mazes, it'll take you over. Simply click this green button. That will take you over to the sales page, and that's what I want to do, is show you what the sales page looks like so you're not in for any surprises. Done, we have solved the #1 problem of activity book publishers. Create and sell 100% unique hand-drawn maze books on KDP, even if you have no art skills or a massive outsourcing budget. They have a video here that's going to walk you through everything that they're talking about here, along with these bullets and these great benefits of picking up hand-drawn mazes software. And then they're going to show you some mazes that are being sold in the books. They're going to have some testimonials, and then they're going to have some more information here about what's going on in the KDP game, especially when it comes to maze books and how big publishers are playing a different game than us independent publishers, but most of us already know that. And here is the big headline: creating story-based maze is the next frontier in the Amazon KDP space. And that brings me back into the hand-drawn maze software. When you actually import these templates that are over here, all the different maze types that you'll get. Of course, take note on the sales page that you're only going to get 5 different maze types. You're not going to get all these maze types, and I'm going to explain that here in a few minutes when I show you the funnel. And that means how they're selling this product, starting off with the sales page for the basic version. And then as you purchase, you'll get other options, and you'll be able to buy all the options that you see inside of the hand-drawn maze software that I'm demoing here in this review. But again, the big headline: creating story-based mazes is the next frontier in the Amazon KDP space. That means in this example, I have a monster here. This monster needs to find his way to the pizza shop because he loves pizza. Now, when you click on this maze, what you have here is the ability to view path and select path. In this case, there's only one path to the destination, which is highlighted in red, and I'm showing that right now by clicking on the maze and showing the solution. I can show and turn the solution off, and you can see that when I turn the solution off, the solution goes away. The view path option works better or works really well when you have multiple options or multiple paths. In this case, this maze only has one path. Of course, that is where the story falls in. Simply select this maze and delete it, and then come over and choose from a myriad of mazes. For example, if we were to select this maze, maybe this changes the story. Of course, you can see now this maze, I'm moving the monster over here. Let's click the maze and see how many paths. In this maze, there is still only one path, but you can see when I select that path, it again changes the story of the maze by having a different path to the pizza shop. Here we have a new maze. Now let's view the paths. Here you can see we have 3 different paths. Now let's see how to get to the pizza shop. If we choose path 1, path 1 does not take us to the pizza shop. So what we do is we move over to the design elements, and inside of the design elements, again, I'll show you how you can get all of these design elements, but let's just carry on with telling the story. And here we have an ice cream shop. So again, the monster is trying to get to the pizza shop. So path 1 is taking him to the ice cream shop. Again, select the maze, deselect path 1. Let's try path 3. You can see path 3 for the monster is again going to take him to a different shop. Click on expand, and here if we select the bakery and we move the bakery down and resize it, you're going to see the monster is going to wind up at the bakery. So again, click the maze, deselect the paths, select path 1 or path 2, and now path 2 is going to show us how the monster can get to the maze. Again, select that path, and there you can see the monster now has the path to the pizza shop, and this is the story that you're now telling when you create the maze, and this is what's going to make your mazes, my mazes, anyone that purchases hand-drawn mazes, going to make a unique story. Again, there's tons of options here. This is just one. Of course, I'm going to show you in the funnel, again, the way you can get all these options for view path, select path, the different style paths. Of course, this is going to be the solution. So we will select this and go view path, and we'll turn the path off. Then that will disappear. Now what you can do is you can click on the maze and you can show the solution. And you can see, and I'm going to make this bigger in this case, just so you can see what I'm seeing here. There is a single black line that is the solution. Again, click on the maze, drop down, change the style to style number 9. You're going to see that the style path, the solution path, is going to change to a new option. Here you can see it's a dotted line, and you can see the arrows. Again, we'll select style 12, and you can see it changed. It's just ever so slightly different with arrows pointing to the path that you've selected. Again, telling a different story just with the solution as you select the maze and show the solution. Of course, if you scroll down, there is a solutions page. You can see all the solutions to include the solution here. And that path image is the same over on the style path that you selected. Now again, let's talk about the uniqueness here. In this case, all I've done is selected an image, but it's not in the design elements. I actually uploaded this image, and you can see here, this is just a JPEG that I uploaded. If I was to go over to the maze and select it and delete that element, delete item, you can see that that background is going to go away. I simply would click upload images. Then I would pick the image that I want, in that case, the red image, and then I would upload that. And then once it's uploaded, I select it and I insert it. And then I simply just make it cover the maze and then select it and move it to the back. And then you can see all my other elements to include the maze here and the elements that I got inside of the design elements, which again, if you scroll down, this is going to show you all the elements that you are able to get, or you will be able to get when I show you the funnel. Scroll up a little bit and you can see here it's the same kind of thing. There are arrow elements, and in this case what I did is I have a backdrop or a border or a boundary that I put in right here. So I have a border and I created that border, and again I just uploaded that border, and you can see that border is right there. And then I was just able to insert it and then resize it. And then I have a nice border around my maze. And of course, this unique maze here, where I could add different options. For example, I could put in different elements where you might wind up on a deserted island versus getting to the finish. Then of course, once you have your book here and you have it the way you want, you can come to download. You can download it as a PDF, a PowerPoint, a PNG, or a collection of JPEG files. Over here you have global settings. This allows you to set your default path numbers and your default style, again including all the styles that you purchase. Then you have the ability to set the color here for your maze and the solution color. Those are the different options of that. And then you have page settings where you can select the different trim sizes. For example, we're on 8.5 by 11. If I was to change this to 6.9 or 6 by 9, you can see that my design no longer works because the canvas has changed. The page trim size has changed. But if you see, if I go back to 8.5 by 11, it will snap right back in. And then I have my 8.511 trim size and my canvas to play with. And I get everything exactly the way I want it. Again, by resizing my maze to make sure that the monster picks the right path to get to the pizza shop. You have the ability here to add pages, page numbers. You can see here, page 1. You can come back up here. You can center align that in the page. You can see right there. And then you can show page margins for 8.5 by 11. You can also turn off the solutions. So if you scroll down, the solution page is gone. If I toggle this switch again, you can see the solution page is back. You can also turn off show page numbers or show puzzle numbers on solutions. So then there's no page numbers on the solutions. Toggle that back. You can see it's page 1 of 1, page 2 of 1, and page 3 of 1. There is also an option here to quick create or quick book creator, and you can actually select from all the maze templates you have, and you can select the number of mazes you want, and then you can just say I want this number of mazes in the book. And then if we were to go back over here and we were to just get rid of everything that we've already created, for example, removing this page, or come in here and delete all pages altogether, then we only have a single page right here. We can go back to the quick book creator, and in this case, total number of mazes, let's just say we want 10 mazes. If we were only to select one maze template, then we would get 10 of these mazes. If we were to select this, we're going to get 5 of these and 5 of these. You're going to scroll down and select Create Book. That's finished. It does take a few minutes to do that, but you can see page 1, page 2, all the way down. You're going to see at page 5, moving into page 6, the maze is going to change again for 10 pages. Page 8, 9, and page 10. And then of course all the solution pages. And again, it's as simple as coming to download as a PDF, PowerPoint, PNG, or as a JPEG. So now what's going to happen when you click the link in the description, again, you're going to go over this bonus page. You can see all the bonuses I'm providing: farm images, alphabet trace images, monster images, mazes for inspiration, done for you, keyword and video topic research. And all you have to do is select the green button or click on the green button. It's going to take you to the sales page that we previously looked at, and then all you're going to have to do is scroll down. You'll see the countdown timer, and you're going to click grab your discounted copy now and get it while it is on sale. Which leads me to want to show you exactly what's going to happen inside of the funnel. They are selling this with a funnel mechanism or using funnel pages, upsells and downsells to sell you the different aspects of the maze generator, the software, and you can get all of the features that you saw by making these different purchases. The front end, or the first offer, which is the basic, is $47. The price goes up to $67, and you get all the features listed here. I'll zoom in so you can see here, again, the basic version of the software. You get 150 hand-drawn maze templates, and you can read the rest of these to understand exactly what you get for $47. Then you move on to the upsell, meaning once you make your purchase, it's going to redirect you to this OTO or one-time offer, which is an upsell, where you can add on these other elements. For example, if you want to download PowerPoint files, that's not available in the basic version. You need to upgrade the Pro. Then you move on and you'll be offered 1,000 premium hand-drawn mazes. This is going to be an additional set of maze templates, like all the maze templates you saw here in this review. If you don't purchase the 1,000, you'll get the option to purchase 300, so they're taking 700 of those away. And then what will happen is you'll be offered 400 brand new design elements in multiple niches, just like the multiple design elements I showed you. If you don't purchase that one for $67, they will offer you 100 brand new design elements in multiple niches. And then when you have completed your purchase and made your way through this maze of upsells and downsells, yes, pun intended, I wish actually this software was sold in a more traditional sense, like if you were to purchase Helium 10, where you just pick the package you want and make one single purchase, but this is how they are selling it. So I want to make sure you understand what's going to happen. You're going to be presented the option to buy the basic, then you're going to be presented the option to buy the Pro. And when you click on the link in the description to get your bonuses that I'm offering here, when you purchase hand-drawn mazes and you get the software, I made sure that I highlighted this, that to get the bonuses that I'm offering, you need to upgrade to the Pro version at a minimum. And of course, you're going to want to upgrade to the Pro version anyway, because it gives you all the aspects of everything you need to make sure you have this tool and you're able to do everything that you want to do without any frustrations. So again, scroll down, and once you make your purchase, it will be delivered inside of your Warrior Plus dashboard. That's the marketplace they're selling this product through. You'll click access your purchase, and to get your bonuses, you'll click the blue button and you'll access the affiliate bonuses, which again is done for you research, keyword topics, mazes for inspiration, monster images, alphabet trace images, and farm images. All you have to do is click the link in the description, click the green button, get it now. It takes you over to the sales page. You scroll down and you click the grab your discounted copy now. And then you'll be able to start making mazes like they show here on the sales page, like I've shown in the videos here on the channel. Like I showed in this review video, you'll be able to make these mazes that tell a story, and you'll have 150 unique hand-drawn mazes templates categorized in 5 different types, like the ones you see here in the basic version. And of course, you're going to be offered more in the Pro version. And take note of the features that you get in the basic version, and why I'm offering my bonuses inside of the Pro version, which is the next upsell, is because there's just certain things that you're going to want to be able to do, and you can do that in the Pro version. Also, before you purchase, please read the frequently asked questions so you understand exactly what you're getting. Also understand what you can do with the mazes and books that you're going to be creating. And also take note of this. There are limitations on the number of books that you can download. This is the main reason you want to upgrade to Pro, is because with this purchase of the basic version, you only get access to 100 downloads a month. That means if you go in and you create a book and you download that book, that's one download. If you go in and you create one page, that's one download. Now you've used 2 downloads, but really and realistically 100 downloads a month. That would be 100 pages or 100 books if you were to create the entire book and then click download. Also understand how you can use the maze images. Can I use the mazes generated for commercial use? Yes, you can sell your books on Amazon, KDP, Etsy, and through your own e-commerce websites. When you sell your books to the end user, you sell them personal use rights, so customers can use their book for personal use. Next question, can I sell books to other with commercial rights? Understand this. No, you can't. The purchase allows you to create and use books when you sell those to end users and thus make a profit from selling the books you create. You cannot sell the mazes to a client who used the assets or the books you sold for commercial use. This question, are there any upgrades? Of course, I've walked you through the funnel so you know exactly what to expect. But move on to the next question and truly understand this. What am I allowed to do with the files I create using this app? As I mentioned earlier, we have designed this app to help you profit from the content you create in ways that your license allows you to. However, please note there are certain things that are not allowed. You cannot sell resale rights to the products you create. You cannot use this app and create any images or mazes and then sell them on Fiverr, Creative Fabrica, Design Cuts, or any other such stock sites. You cannot sell PLR rights. You cannot create freebies using the app and distribute them. That means you can't use them for lead magnets. You cannot use the name of the creators for this application. Moving on to the FAQ, and please read and understand everything that you get when you purchase this inside of the frequently asked questions. When you click on the link in the description and come over and to get your bonuses, click on the green Get It Now button. It takes you here. Make sure you read these. For example, this last one, can I sell the mazes, books, or any other derivative products on marketplaces like Fiverr, Creative Fabrica, Design Cuts, etc.? No, you can't. You cannot create any content to sell on such platforms using the app. This app is designed for you to come here, add a template, create a story-based maze, and sell that in a book or as a printable or on your own website to a single end user for them to use the book. For example, if they have a child and you create child mazes or activity books, this means that you create the book and you sell the book to individuals so they can use the books that you create. So now that you know and understand everything, click the link in the description, click the green Get It Now button, farm images, alphabet trace images, monster images, mazes for inspiration, done for you keyword and video topic research. Understand you will be put in a funnel and you will have to purchase the front end or the basic version, and you will have to purchase the second one or the OTO1, which is the pro version, to get these bonuses. The rest are optional and up to you. Of course, with the basic and pro version, you have access to just about everything you need except for the rest of the hand-drawn maze templates. Those are in the next pages. Again, you have those options, but to get my bonuses, you only have to buy the first 2 products, the basic and the pro. So click the link in the description. Let's do this. Grab Hand Maze Generator. Click the green Now button. It'll take you over to the sales page. Simply just scroll down. You'll see the timer. Click the button below to grab your discounted copy. And if you have any questions about hand-drawn maze generator software, ask in the comments. I'll be sure to answer them, and I'll talk to you later.